Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn coding in Python and Java. First, consider your starting point. Python is often recommended for beginners due to its straightforward syntax and readability, making initial learning smoother. Java, on the other hand, is a powerful, object-oriented language, foundational for many enterprise applications and Android development. Your choice should align with your long-term goals. Once you choose a language, focus on core programming concepts. Understand variables, which store data, and different data types like integers or strings. Master control flow statements such as if-else conditions, and for or while loops to manage program execution. Functions and object-oriented principles are crucial for writing clean, modular, and efficient code. To learn effectively, immerse yourself in practical application. Follow online tutorials and complete interactive coding challenges. Crucially, start building your own small projects. This hands-on experience solidifies theoretical knowledge. Don't hesitate to consult official documentation for in-depth understanding. Engaging with coding communities can also provide valuable support and different perspectives. Learning to code is a continuous journey. After mastering the basics, delve into advanced topics like data structures and algorithms to optimize your code. Consider specializing in a field such as web development with frameworks like Django or Spring, or perhaps data science. Always stay curious, keep practicing, and remain updated with the latest advancements in your chosen languages and technologies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.